Imagine a garden that largely takes care of itself. Picture a small patch of earth, maybe on a patio or balcony, thriving with minimal effort. This isn't a fantasy, it's a real possibility. It's a garden designed to work with nature, not against it. The plants support each other, the soil feeds itself, and watering is clever and infrequent. This is the promise of a self-sustaining garden, a balanced ecosystem where every element has a purpose. Forget endless weeding and daily watering. Instead, enjoy more food, more beauty, and more time to relax. We'll explore practical steps to build a productive, resilient garden. No vast space or years of experience required. By mimicking nature's patterns, like forest layers and fallen leaves, you can design an efficient, low-maintenance garden. This approach saves time, conserves resources, and creates healthier, more pest-resistant plants. Imagine harvesting fresh herbs, vegetables, and fruits right outside your door with minimal effort. Whether you have a windowsill, a concrete yard, or a small patch of lawn, you can create a thriving, self-sustaining garden. Prepare to be amazed at how much life you can cultivate in a small space when you let nature lead the way. Let's begin this journey toward a more sustainable, enjoyable way of growing. The first step in a self-sustaining garden is smart design, thinking in layers, not just rows. Picture your garden as a three-dimensional space, like a woodland, using vertical layering to maximize every inch. Start with the back layer, tall plants or climbers like beans, peas, or a compact fruit tree against a wall. These reach for the sky, create a green backdrop, and provide shade for plants in front. Next, the middle layer, bushy, medium-height plants like tomatoes, peppers, or kale. They form the main body of your garden, producing staple crops and enjoying filtered sunlight. Finally, the front layer, low-growing plants and root vegetables, carrots, radishes, beets, strawberries, or creeping herbs. These ground covers suppress weeds, keep soil cool, and protect against erosion. Layering creates a dense, productive system where plants coexist, not compete. Every inch from soil to sky is put to good use. This design means bigger harvests from smaller spaces. Think about plant size and shape at maturity to avoid overcrowding. The goal, a living tapestry where each plant has a role. With layers, your garden becomes a thriving, efficient ecosystem. Less wasted space, more abundance. That's the secret to a self-sustaining garden. Now, let's talk about plant partnerships, guilds that support each other. Instead of single crop rows, mix plants with complementary functions. Take the classic Three Sisters. Corn provides a trellis for beans, beans fix nitrogen, and squash shades the soil. Each plant helps the others thrive. Mutual support in action. You can create mini guilds anywhere. Try tomatoes with basil and marigolds in a pot. Basil repels pests. Marigolds deter soil nematodes. This tiny ecosystem reduces your need for sprays or treatments. Need pollinators? Add borage or lavender to attract bees. Want better soil? Plant deep-rooted comfrey or dandelion to pull up minerals. Thoughtful plant combinations build a strong, diverse garden. Each plant brings a unique benefit: protection, nutrition, or pollination. The result, a resilient, low-maintenance garden that works together. Choose companions based on your needs: pest control, pollination, or soil health. Mix and match to create a living, supportive community. The more diverse your plant guilds, the more self-sustaining your garden becomes. Let your plants do the teamwork for you. The real secret to a self-sustaining garden is healthy living soil. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a vibrant ecosystem of microbes, fungi, worms, and insects. These creatures break down organic matter, release nutrients, and create structure that holds water. Feed your soil and it will feed your plants. Skip chemical fertilizers. They harm soil life over time. Instead, build fertility naturally with organic matter: leaves, clippings, kitchen scraps. As these break down, they become humus, the dark, spongy substance that holds water and nutrients. Add organic matter regularly, especially after harvesting. Try chop and drop, leave old plant material on the soil to decompose, just like a forest floor. Always keep soil covered with mulch to protect and feed it. Avoid digging or tilling, which disrupts soil life. No-dig gardening preserves the ecosystem. Nurture your soil, and it will reward you with healthy, resilient plants year after year. To feed your soil, use compost and mulch, nature's power duo. Compost turns kitchen scraps and garden waste into black gold for your plants. Even a small worm bin on a balcony can create rich compost. Layer greens, veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and browns, cardboard leaves in your bin, keep it moist, and turn it occasionally. Worm bins are great for small spaces, producing potent worm castings and liquid fertilizer. Mulch is your garden's best friend, a layer of straw, wood chips, or compost on top of the soil. It suppresses weeds, keeps soil cool, and locks in moisture. As mulch breaks down, it feeds soil life and adds organic matter. Mulching means less watering, fewer weeds, and healthier plants. Both compost and mulch are simple, sustainable ways to boost fertility. No need for chemical fertilizers. Nature provides everything your garden needs. Start composting and mulching and watch your garden thrive. These practices are the foundation of a self-sustaining system. Feed the soil, and the soil will feed your garden. Watering doesn't have to be a daily chore. In a self-sustaining garden, water less often but more deeply. Deep watering encourages roots to grow down, making plants more resilient to drought. When you water, soak the soil thoroughly. Then wait until it's dry a few inches down before watering again. With mulch, you'll need to water even less. Group plants with similar water needs together. This is called hydrozoning. Don't put thirsty cucumbers next to drought-tolerant herbs. Choose more drought-tolerant plants like lavender, sage, or certain tomatoes for even less maintenance. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation and prevent disease. Avoid watering in the midday sun. Smart watering saves time and conserves resources. Deep roots mean stronger, healthier plants. Combine deep watering, hydrozoning, and mulch for a water-wise garden. Less work for you, happier plants all season long. Efficient watering is key to a low-maintenance, thriving garden. Let your garden do more of the work. Want to make watering even easier? Try Olas, unglazed terracotta pots buried in the soil. Fill the olla with water. It seeps out slowly right at the roots, minimizing evaporation. Plants draw water as needed, creating a self-regulating, efficient system. Ollas are perfect for containers or raised beds and can cut watering to once or twice a week. You can buy them or make your own with 2 terracotta pots glued together. This ancient technique saves time and water, keeping your plants happy with minimal effort. Add Ollas to your garden for truly effortless watering. For year-round harvests, practice succession planting and crop rotation. Sow small amounts of crops every few weeks for a steady supply, not a single glut. Intercrop fast growers, like radishes, with slow ones like leeks to maximize space. Rotate plant families each year, even in pots, to prevent nutrient depletion and pest buildup. For example, tomatoes one year, beans the next, then greens, then carrots, then back to tomatoes. This simple cycle keeps soil healthy and reduces the need for fertilizers or pest control. Succession planting and rotation are the backbone of a sustainable, productive garden. Plan ahead, and your garden will keep producing season after season. Smart planning means more food, less work. Don't let the cold stop your self-sustaining garden. Bring it indoors. Regrow veggies from scraps. Place spring onion or celery bases in water, then pot them on a sunny windowsill. Herbs like parsley, mint, and chives can be dug up, potted, and brought inside for winter harvests. Even a small chili plant can keep producing indoors with enough light. Grow microgreens, young seedlings of veggies like broccoli or radish, in shallow trays for quick, nutritious greens. Just sprinkle seeds on compost, water, and harvest in a week or 2. Indoor gardening bridges the gap between seasons, keeping fresh food on your table year-round. It's easy, sustainable, and works in any home. Use windowsills and bright spots to keep your garden going. Indoor projects are perfect for winter and small spaces. Extend your harvest and enjoy homegrown food no matter the weather. Your self-sustaining garden doesn't have to end with the season. Keep the abundance going indoors. You've learned how to create a garden that works with you, not against you. Smart design, plant guilds, living soil, compost, mulch, and efficient watering all add up to a thriving ecosystem. Succession planting and crop rotation keep your harvests coming. Indoor gardening extends the bounty through every season. This isn't about perfection, it's about small, continuous successes and enjoying the process. Start with one pot, one corner, or one windowsill. Apply these principles and watch your garden flourish. You're building more than a garden. You're cultivating a new relationship with your food and nature. Enjoy your abundant, effortless Eden. Let nature do the heavy lifting and savor the rewards.